welcome to Tai Chi class. Today's class is going to focus on parting the horse's mane. So let's get started. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Do that for me again. And the arms rise out to the sides and float back down. Nice deep breath in and out. Then let the elbows gather in and press down for sinking the chi. Nice deep breath in and out. Now take one foot and step it out, about shoulder width, maybe a little bit more. And the arms come out in front of us and go back down, like gently riding the waves. Nice deep breath in and out. And round your arms out in front of you like you're giving a nice big hug. This hand close to the top of the chest. This hand follows underneath and embrace the moon. Give that moon a toss. Switch your hands and catch it again. Nice deep breath in and out. And give that nice big hug again and sink the chi. And drift side to side. Let the arms gently sway. And take this heel, tap it out. And the same on the other side. And add this hand over the toes. And do that over here. And now add this hand in under the elbow and strum the lute. Nice deep breath in and this hand circles around, this hand circles underneath, catch that move, tap the toe, take a step out, this hand comes up, and this hand comes down by the hips, horse's mane. Turn at the hips, circle around, catch that moon, and part the horse's mane. And take this hand and float across to the other side. Tap the toe in, take that step out, and versus it. Let's deepen in. To the other side, catch that through one part versus it. Bring it back in, bring that toe with you, tap, throw your hands over your shoulders, take a step out, and hands come down for old left chops away. Let's do it in. Chop wood. And now, this hand comes up, this hand pushes out as we take our step out, and Fair Lady works the shadows. This hand drops and circles, this hand follows underneath, work the shadows. And part the horse's mane. To the other side. One part the horse's mane. One chop wood. And work the shuttles. And part the horse's mane. To the other side. One part the horse's mane. One chop wood. And one work the shuttles. And back to parting the horse's mane. One on each on the other side. Shall we? To center and sink the chi. bottom, cross the wrists, up and over, and let's close the door. And the hands float back down by the sides. One foot steps in, two palms together, and a little bow. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss the next class. And remember, if you want more and longer classes, you can find me on Patreon, patreon.com/CoachJoe. And I'll see you next time.